Every business has been affected by the COVID-19. We have been closed since March 17th. It was Tuesday, March 17th was our first day of being shut down. That's a landmark day for us at Big Daddy's in Belleville because it just so happened to fall on St. Patrick's Day, which is one of our biggest days of the year. Unfortunately, we lost the Saturday of March 14th, which was the St. Patrick's Day event. We lost the parade, the 5K run, the block party downtown. We chose not to go to the takeout and carryout menu that a lot of bars and restaurants are doing. Some are doing very well with it. We chose to go in a different direction. We're going with remodeling. We're redoing the floors, both hardwood floors in the front, the back. We're putting in a new bar with USB charging ports. We have Big Daddy's laid into the bar in 2 different spots. We're installing LED lights underneath the bar, and it'll show off a swirled stainless steel that we had put in. So our bar will be brand new. Our bathrooms will be brand new. They haven't been done in 15 years, so they've been getting destroyed along the way. So we've totally taken the bathrooms out and are redoing the bathrooms. An all-around remodel. We've changed the colors of our dining room and bar room. We have new tabletops, so when this does open up, and we don't know when it will, but it will be a new place, and we are investing back into downtown Belleville. We're all about supporting local. We've always been about supporting local, but we really think people will actually support local a little bit more now than they used to, and we'll be brand new and we'll be ready.